There was an appeals court case yesterday concerning a sleeping juror. So a defendant was convicted, and at his trial, one of the jurors fell asleep. Now, this is actually somewhat common. All right, last year there was a very similar decision. Again, a defendant was convicted. Again, at trial, one of the jurors fell asleep. The appeals court upheld the conviction. And there is an unbelievable amount of case law on sleeping jurors because it happens so often. And it happens because these jurors are bored to death by the lawyers in the cases that the lawyers are presenting. Simply put, the lawyers are going on too long. All right, if jurors are literally falling asleep, listening to your cross-examination or your direct examination, you're going on way too long. And if you spend time in court, I'm in court almost every single day, I sympathize with these jurors, and you see maybe once a week, maybe even a couple times a week, a lawyer is doing a direct examination or a cross-examination, and they're going on and on and on. And you look around the room, and everybody is seemingly in agony. They just want it to end. They're squirming in their seats. Everybody can tell this is going on except the lawyer who's at center stage. So if you are a lawyer, if you go to court, if you're presenting a case, presenting witnesses, be mindful of everybody in the room, especially if there's a jury there, but even everybody else, the witnesses, the parties, the court officers. Stick to what is relevant, and just be mindful and don't go on more than necessary, okay? This is especially true with cross-examination, right? Cross-examination can very, very quickly just turn into a mess when you go on too long, right? Especially with a hostile witness. If you have a hostile witness and you have a cross-examination, get in, score a couple points, get out, all right? It shouldn't go on longer than 10 or 15 minutes at the most, right? I've written a blog post on this, and I will put it in the description below.